Ground ivy, also known as Glaucoma heteracea, creeping Charlie, or alehoof, is a perennial plant native to Europe and parts of Asia. Its creeping, spreading nature allows it to grow in a variety of environments, and it often appears in gardens, lawns, and woodland areas. While ground ivy is often regarded as an invasive weed, this humble plant has a long history of use in traditional medicine and offers a range of potential health benefits. Packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and medicinal properties, ground ivy has been used in herbal remedies for centuries. Modern research and traditional knowledge alike highlight its therapeutic potential. Today, we will explore the top 10 health benefits of ground ivy, from its ability to alleviate respiratory problems to supporting digestive health and more. Number 1. Supports respiratory health. One of the most well-known uses of ground ivy is its ability to support respiratory health. The plant has expectorant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, making it effective for relieving symptoms of respiratory conditions like coughs, colds, asthma, and bronchitis. Ground ivy helps loosen mucus and phlegm in the lungs, making it easier to expel, and it can reduce inflammation in the airways, which is particularly helpful for individuals suffering from asthma or chronic bronchitis. By acting as a mild expectorant, ground ivy can clear the upper respiratory tract, easing congestion and improving breathing. Number 2. Promotes digestive health. Ground ivy has traditionally been used to treat various digestive issues. The herb is known for its carminative, gas-relieving, and digestive-stimulating properties. It can help ease indigestion, bloating, and gas, promoting a healthy gut and improving overall digestive function. Ground ivy is thought to support the liver by aiding in bile production, which is essential for the digestion and absorption of fats. Furthermore, its mild laxative effect can help relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movements. This makes ground ivy a useful herb for supporting digestive health and maintaining gastrointestinal balance. Number 3. Has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of many common health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders. Ground ivy contains flavonoids and other compounds with potent anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially alleviating symptoms of conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and other inflammatory disorders. The anti-inflammatory effects of ground ivy are believed to be linked to its ability to inhibit certain enzymes and cytokines that contribute to the inflammatory response. As a result, consuming ground ivy or using it topically in the form of herbal extracts may help soothe irritated joints and tissues. Number 4. Supports skin health. Ground ivy has been used topically in herbal remedies to promote skin health and heal minor wounds. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective option for treating skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. The plant's high antioxidant content helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging and the development of wrinkles. Ground ivy's anti-inflammatory action can also reduce redness and swelling associated with skin irritation, promoting a smoother, more even complexion. For minor cuts and scrapes, ground ivy can be applied as a poultice or infused into oils to accelerate the healing process. Its soothing properties may also help alleviate itchiness and discomfort associated with dry or inflamed skin. Number 5. Boosts immune system function. Ground ivy is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, which are known to support immune function. These compounds help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms. By boosting the immune system, ground ivy may help prevent infections and illnesses, such as colds, flu, and other respiratory infections. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties make it effective at fighting off pathogens, further enhancing its ability to protect the body from illness. Number 6. Improves urinary health. Ground ivy has been used as a diuretic in traditional medicine for centuries. As a natural diuretic, ground ivy promotes the production of urine, which can help flush excess fluids, salts, and toxins from the body. This diuretic effect is beneficial for maintaining a healthy urinary system and can help prevent urinary retention, kidney stones, and urinary tract infections, UTIs. The increased urine output promoted by ground ivy can also help lower blood pressure by reducing the volume of excess fluid in the circulatory system. This makes it an excellent herb for individuals looking to maintain kidney and urinary health. Number 7. Relieves pain and discomfort. Ground ivy has mild analgesic, pain-relieving properties that can be beneficial for individuals dealing with pain from a variety of causes. The plant has traditionally been used to treat headaches, joint pain, and muscle soreness. This is largely due to its ability to reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, both of which contribute to pain relief. Ground ivy can be used in the form of teas, tinctures, or topical preparations like poultices to ease pain associated with conditions like arthritis, menstrual cramps, and general aches and pains. Its mild sedative properties may also help relieve tension headaches and stress-related discomfort. Number 8. Improves circulation and cardiovascular health. Ground ivy's circulatory benefits are rooted in its ability to improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Its compounds have been shown to help strengthen blood vessels and improve overall circulation, which can be beneficial for cardiovascular health. Better circulation helps ensure that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered to tissues and organs throughout the body. Improved blood flow also helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, by reducing inflammation in the vascular system, ground ivy may help prevent the development of plaque in the arteries, which is a major contributor to cardiovascular disease. Number 9. Supports weight loss and metabolism. Ground ivy's diuretic properties can aid in weight loss by reducing water retention in the body, giving the appearance of weight loss. While this is not fat loss, it can be helpful for individuals looking to shed excess water weight. Additionally, ground ivy has been shown to support healthy metabolism by stimulating the liver and aiding in the digestion and absorption of fats. When combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, ground ivy may be a useful herbal supplement for those looking to support healthy weight management. Number 10. Promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Ground ivy contains mild sedative properties that can help promote relaxation and reduce stress. It has traditionally been used as a calming herb for individuals suffering from anxiety, insomnia, or general nervous tension. The plant's ability to ease stress and anxiety can be attributed to its soothing effect on the nervous system. Ground ivy has been shown to help regulate the release of stress hormones like cortisol, thereby encouraging a more balanced mood and reducing feelings of agitation or restlessness. It can be consumed in the form of tea or tincture before bedtime to promote restful sleep and relaxation. Ground ivy can be consumed in various forms, including teas, tinctures, capsules, and extracts. To make a simple ground ivy tea, steep fresh or dried ground ivy leaves in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes, and enjoy its soothing effects. Ground ivy can also be applied topically as an ointment, poultice, or in the form of infused oils to treat skin conditions or minor injuries. Additionally, it may be available in herbal supplement form at health food stores or from online retailers. Ground ivy, with its numerous health benefits, is a powerful plant that has stood the test of time in traditional medicine. From supporting respiratory health to improving circulation and alleviating pain, this unassuming herb has a wide range of therapeutic properties. Whether you are looking to boost your immune system, improve your digestive health, or relieve stress, ground ivy may be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. As with any herbal remedy, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before using ground ivy, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking medication. By using ground ivy responsibly, you can harness its many health benefits and improve your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.